pursuing my BE Mechanical Engineering final year, Poonamalli. Guide's name is Mr. K. Thanival Murugan. We are here to present our topic, our project, which is a portable blending device for the preparation of decontaminant and dispenser. So let's go and take a look at our project. Come on. Yeah. So these are my teammates. This is Mr. Sridhar, also studying BE Mechanical Engineering final year, and this is Mr. Satish, also pursuing BE Mechanical Engineering final year. So yeah, this is our project, a portable blending device for the preparation of decontaminant and dispenser.
Single phase motor for 1400 RPM. The gearbox reduce the gearbox speed control. The high speed single phase high speed motor is converted to the gearbox 30. Reduce the 30. The cylinder was three inlet valve, one axis semicolon sector for adjust outlet valve. Three legs. Okay.
Hi, Sharan here again. Hope you guys remember me. So yeah, as said, this is a motor which is a 1400 RPM single phase motor, and this is basically a gear reducer, which actually the purpose of the gear reducer is to convert the 1400 RPM from the motor into 30 to 40 RPM with high torque and low speeds. So yeah, this is a basic model of a project, and it has 4 inlet valves, one place here, 2 places in the front and 2 places in the back, and we have a drain valve at the low end, and also we have a semi-conical structure at the end, which is used to completely drain all the chemicals or the liquids which is actually used to stir it inside the cylinder. And this is a drain valve. This will be connected to other outlets, and also the inlets also will be acquiring more tanks for inlet liquids. And yeah, basically this has a 3-paddle agitator, and we'll just open it up to just show you. Yeah, so this is a 3-paddle agitator. It has 3 vanes, each angled by 45 degrees, and also if we need to change the agitator, it can be removed and remodeled or repurposed for something else. This is it. Yeah, this is actually the key for the agitator. So if you remove the bolt, we can pull it out. This will be the key for locking it. And mechanism is completely easy, and this sanitizer can be used by anyone without any proper training and purposes. So this sanitizing producer manufacturing machine can be used anywhere. That is, I'm referring to places like some industries or schools, colleges for producing their individual sanitizers, because transportation of huge amount of sanitizers is a very big process, and it takes more time, and also it costs. So we are giving a solution in which we can produce sanitizers in our homes or in our factories and anywhere else in some lonely places without any highly trained person, because this is completely operable by a normal person actually. So yeah, and it has built-in capacitor in it. Let me open it up for you. this is the actual capacitor of the motor. Here we have a complete circuit system and a bush for water resistance. This is the capacitor and the circuit system is given directly from the motor to the outlet. This is a 440 volt capacitor, and this is actually the bush for it, for resisting water to getting inside of the capacitor and the system. So let's plug in the agitator just for checking purpose. So the motor is actually 1400 RPM, but when it is converted to the gear reducer, it gives high torque as well as low speed, which is 30 to 40 RPM per minute.
Hi, I am Sridhar. I am explaining total about the working system and the dimension and the control system. So this is the 85 liter capacity of cylinder tank. This is the capacity of cylinder tank liter, and also using the only 50 liter only because of the outside of chemical is used for, and we are creating the abnormal foam and extra lot of amount of dust. We also reduce the cylinder tank. Okay. This is a 4-valve inlet of topside system. This is a half-inch thread type inlet valve, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also a single outlet valve in the top side. This is a semi-conical type outlet system in the cylinder. This is a top system of totally fixed on the motor head and washer and inlet and outlet system of the center valve. The total tank was built up by a stainless steel 304 SS material. It's totally used by the 2 manpower of easily operated and dismantled capacity. Take the inside of cylinder. This is a cylinder inside. So this is the inside of the cylinder and outlet. This is a half an inch outlet pipe. There also is a stainless steel pipe. This is a check valve. This is an opening close check valve. The 3 leg is MS support 3 leg. This dimension is 3 into 3 with 5 mm. This is a 3 leg supported tank. The 3 legs are in thickness is 3 into 3 mm thickness and here is 400 mm length. The total weight of cylinder, the cylinder only is 20 kg only, not a huge lot of weight. And take it. This is a single and single. Here weight is also is the total tank's weight is more or less is 35 only. Big support. The rotor the shaft is 25 mm. 25 mm shaft. This is the blade is 50 into 70 mm length and this is the curved blade. This is sealed by a surgical foam washer. This is using the. This also using a medical component. Is washer type is used the tank.
So I hope you all have understood what my batchmates are told. So here I am again, just to give a quick review about what they have told. So yeah, this is a model structure, and this has 4 inlet valves and a single drain valve, which has a semi-conical structure to completely drain all the liquid from the inside to the outside. So yeah, this is a motor which is a single phase motor, and it has around 1380 RPM approximately, and it is connected to a gear reducer. So this gear reducer work is actually to convert the 1380 RPM into 30 RPM, and we have a 3-pedal agitator inside. So it actually works under high torque because of the gear reducer, and it has low speed because we are converting 1380 RPM into 30 to 40 RPM. So basically it gives high torque with low speeds, and we can use high viscosity liquid for mixing here. That is one of the main advantages here, and it can be operated with low knowledgeable persons can also operate the system. There is another advantage, and it has three legs attached to it for balance, and it also has vibration resistance. We have pushers fixed inside the cylinder edges on the lid, just in case to make liquid proofing, as well as to make the system tight so that it doesn't vibrate when the motor operates. So yeah, it is actually fixed with 5 bolts, and also it has an inbuilt capacitor with the motor, which also has a circuit inside it, and we are using M8 bolts for tightening the lid to the container. Yeah, this is a M8 bolt. Let's get into the fixing part. So we'll just show you the agitator once again. Three-sided agitator, and all the vanes are 3-vane agitator. All the vanes are turned around 45 degrees, just to give a high blending for the chemicals inside the system. Let's get into the fixing part. Also, these have a bushers, so it will be a bit tight for us to get it in position. So the assembly part is over, and we have fixed all the board with the bushes, and now let's get into the running part, working part. The motor actually rotates at 1400 RPM, but when converted with the gear reducer, it rotates around 30 to 40 RPM per minute. And the agitator will be rotating. We can input the liquid through these 4 inlet valves, to the front and to the back, and also after the complete rotation is over, we can drain all completely the liquid. The design is actually designed because it has a semi-conical structure, because we can drain all the liquids completely from the inside, and we can take it to the outlet valve, and this will be added with certain tanks, 3-liter tanks for all the inlet liquids as well as the outlet liquids. Thank you. So this is Saranias and Mr. Sridhar and Mr. Satish signing off. Thank you.